another video. It is Sunday today. I've just got up and done the food shop list, had breakfast and stuff, and I'm going to go to the supermarket in a few minutes. But after that, we are going for lunch to, I don't know what the place is called. We're going out for a roast anyway, which should be nice because we've not done that for a while. And yeah, and then I'm going to do just kind of like usual Sunday stuff, just getting ready for the week. I think I might bake as well if I've got time. And yeah, it should just be a nice day. I'm looking forward to it. And now the indoor dining is back, I feel like my social life is thriving. And by thriving, I mean I also went out yesterday and that's it. But I do have a few other things planned for the upcoming weeks, which I'm very excited about. I think it's a lot more tiring doing social things than it was before because we're not used to it. We've had so much time just inside speaking to just the people that you live with. It's very strange. So I'm going to get myself showered and then head off to the supermarket. And annoyingly couldn't find a few of the things that I needed, so I'll have to see if I can get those when we go out for lunch later. One of them, as you will have seen in the clip, was oat milk. It's very spooky times indeed when I can't get any oat milk, but luckily we do have a bottle left, so I'm gonna have a coffee now and use that because I really treasure my coffee that I have when I get back from the supermarket on a Sunday and every day, but it's just one of my favorite times of the weekend. Dan and I will sometimes alternate, so one of us will do the shop and then the other will clean the apartment, and then afterwards it's usually like 11 and we'll just have a coffee afterwards, and it's just my favorite time of the day. I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna have a coffee now and then I think start getting ready, because we're going out for lunch at 1:30, but obviously we will set off earlier than that. But yeah, the weather looks okay as well. It's not raining yet, and it has literally rained every day for the past 2-3 weeks, I think, probably longer. But yeah, I mean, it looks fine so far. I think we're getting to the back end of this weird sort of wintry weather, so fingers crossed. But yeah, I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear yet, but I'll show you my outfit once I'm ready. Ready to go. I was having a bit of an outfit dilemma. I don't know why. I'm feeling like I can't put outfits together at the moment, and I just feel like I'm missing things. Don't know. But anyway, I've gone for a very kind of basic, comfy, casual outfit, and I'm really happy with how it turned out, so I'll show you what I'm wearing. So I've just gone for my usual Under the Stories bag. I've got my Arquette white t-shirt on. I've got a little cardigan because it is kind of chilly. I've got my H&M blazer on, Under the Stories jeans, and my high top Converse. And then I've just got kind of like my usual jewellery on. This one's from Under the Stories. This ring is from Shy Rose Jewellery. Same for the earrings. And then this ring is from Under the Stories as well. And I curled my hair too, which I may come to regret because it's very windy, but I refuse to let that stand in the way. So I curled it anyway. Anyway, I'm gonna head off now because as usual, we are probably running late and it's my fault. bedroom for a minute because it's very noisy in the living room. Dan has the football on and there's a lot of enthusiasm coming from that room. So I just came in here, things are a bit quieter, a bit calmer, more on my wavelength. Anyway, I'm going to make a lemon cake, I think, because I've conveniently got all of the ingredients. So, you know, just trying to use things up. A lot of half empty packets lying around of like flour and sugar and stuff. So what else am I supposed to do with those things? So I'm going to make a lemon cake and yeah, and then I'm going to start on the dinner, I think. Just wholesome Sunday things, bit of cooking. I'll probably put on a podcast. Yeah, we're having a salmon pasta for dinner as well. Just something like relatively light because we had quite a hearty lunch. Yeah, I've completely lost my train of thought. I don't think I had anything interesting to say, so it's fine. But yeah, I'm gonna go and start on my lemon cake. Clattering about in the other room. It actually turned out really nice. It was a bit of a random collection of ingredients, but it was really nice actually, so I might have to make that again. I keep meaning to make like a recipe book of things because it comes around to doing the weekly shopping list, and every week I'm like, what do we eat? Because I have no idea, I can't think of things, but if I had a recipe book I could just, you know, open a random page and be like, ah, there we go, sorted for the week. But no, keep procrastinating. Anyway, so I think for the rest of this evening we are just gonna chill out. We're gonna have some of the lemon cake. I've just done the icing on that, so that should be ready soon. And yeah, I think we're gonna watch Gogglebox as well because we didn't watch it on Friday. It's on every Friday if you didn't know. And I think that is pretty much it. And then tomorrow we're back to work, back to normal. Very tired now. I'm gonna make my tea and have some of my lemon cake. I actually tried a little bit and it wasn't very lemony. which I'm confused about because I used exactly the amount of lemons, or lemon, it was just one, that the recipe told me to. But I don't know whether this is one of those unspoken rules of the recipe says 1 lemon, but actually you use like 2 or 3. You know, like with garlic or chili, where it's like 1 clove of garlic, and you're like, I'm gonna use 5. So yeah, I don't know. If you know, leave me a comment, because I'm not sure. I'm not very experienced in making lemon cakes, so yeah, not the lemoniest, but nice nonetheless. So anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling because my arm hurts. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I've had a really fun time filming a nice little casual Sunday vlog. So please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Oh my god, why is this so hard?